start recording. All right, what's up, bitches? Here's a trade that I took. Actually, I didn't take this. I'm just forward testing this because look, this inverse you could have taken there, but there's another inversion in the leg, and there's no. You could have maybe. That would have been even worse if you did an order right here. Your stop would have had to have been here or there, here. Could have done maybe a limit order and just got filled right now. But it's 1:30, and there's only this 15-minute above here really to reject off of if you want to go like mech model per se continuation. We're holding this 3, which is still good. We just might need a little more liquidity and maybe another sweep to go down to take all this LRL that's forming down here. Really, the only thing I want to see is this 15-minute get hit, but like, that's really it, bro. Like, if you did take this 3-minute at 115 to target this internal liquidity here, this, oh, it's not a 1 hour, that's the 1 hour low. But, yeah, just because the 15-minute inverse lower. But, yeah, that's it. So let's go back into life is fucking weird, too.
Can we go back now?
Yeah. Let's just fill up the canteens before we head back.
Bro, what are they feeding this dog?
That cough has been going on for days, Daniel.
Like, is this puppy not like...
I really don't like that.
I told you.
You have tuberculosis. And you are going to die,
Been outside
Daniel.
for a while.
Go, I want to pet the doggy. I want to pet the doggy. Alright, Daniel, fill your fucking shit.
Here we go.
The helitanker over the wildfire zone. Get ready for water extraction. Ranger Diaz.
What the fuck? Nice work.
Nice work, Daniel. Glad to see our training sessions are paying off.
Thanks to you. So glad I don't have to touch that water.
Bro, what the fuck is in this Portland, like, ground that's making him and the other neighbor have, like, fucking goddamn superpowers? It's fine.
It's fine out here. There's no one to hear you curse. Say whatever the fuck you want.
Oh, I don't know he was saying that. Oh, fuck. No, he's gonna fucking start cursing like a sailor. Fuck, I thought he was... I thought he bumped into me and he was like, oh, it's fine.
Finding that house was a miracle.
Yeah, you have
I'm
to...
afraid we can't stay here much longer.
You have to read the fucking journal to like get all the background story. Anything else in here? Oh, I'll go back to the house. Okay. Yo, barbecue.
I miss Dad's barbecues.
Probably
His
tastes like
marinade
shit.
with achiote paste, jalapenos.
And jalapenos.
Shit.
Shit. Bird farter.
You can't really name birds, right?
Sure you can.
Probably the name of a child who used to
I
live
name
here.
my birds all the time, if you know what I mean. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I got Maggie, Billy. Wait, Billy. Actually, no,
Not again.
there's been
Gotta
girls
leave
named
these
Billy.
poor bunnies alone.
Aw, you want to play? Discuss.
Hey, it's been a while since we last saw that rabbit who lives in there.
Yeah. I hope it wasn't eaten by a bear or
It definitely was eaten by a bear.
worse.
A family of rabbits lives out here. Just like us. What's worse than a bear and animal?
And I know.
Wolves?
I don't know if I could gut an animal anyway. Don't worry. We're the only wolves around.
Oh!
Ooh, I want to go this way. Oh, the little... Just sliding around on the ground. You're so cute, I want to pet you.
Daniel's getting cold.
Good dog.
Daniel can go fuck
Sorry,
himself.
guys. We don't take any more guests.
You're such a good girl.
That's what I say. Wait, what? I was fucking
It's a
around.
really sweet spot to get a tan in the summer.
loves it. Hey.
Damn, look at this fucking trap house.
Cold.
Don't worry. We'll make a fire. We're pros now. Dude, that cough doesn't sound too good.
Getting AIDS, Daniel.
Okay.
You're gonna die like the Walking Dead? Is he getting
You kicked
infected?
ass today. Level up.
Bring me up, up,
I
up,
did.
up, up, up.
That was so
Bring
cool.
me up, up, up.
It's getting easier every day.
Bro, stop just picking up random fucking shit.
Oh no, Sean. This is a haunted house.
More like, uh-oh, it's time to go over the rules. I told you about showing off.
I was just...
Bro, if fucking randoms see you, they're going to call ICE
Let's find
and the
out.
FBI.
What's the first one?
No swearing.
Hide your power. If you spin one plate in a diner, what happens?
You're going
People
straight to FBI
freak
jail.
out.
And when people freak, what do?
They call the cops.
Exactly. The second rule is,
Don't, never talk about it.
wow, nice, Daniel. Because that's usually the hardest rule for you.
Shut up.
And the
Damn.
final rule?
Don't swear at me.
I know.
Come on, you can do it.
Okay.
Ooh, ooh.
Avoid danger?
Run from danger.
Run.
This is the most important
You better run. Run,
You know why?
run,
I don't know.
run,
I mean,
run,
with my power, it can help us.
run, 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 run. Only as a last
Only
resort.
as a total last resort.
How will I know that?
If there's any
You
other way
won't,
of
because you're
helping,
fucking stupid and you're gonna fuck up probably,
that
and the
first.
foreshadowing is unreal.
Maybe if I had used it before, Dad might still...
No, you fucking dummy. Your dad was gonna die either way, or else the game never would have happened. Out of your control.
Daniel, you didn't even know. That shit
Daniel, you stupid pendejo.
was out of your control.
But
I don't even know what that means.
look what happened to the policeman.
Pendejo. Pendejo.
Maybe this power is a curse.
You were
Or
just fucking loving your powers.
something.
Hey,
Shut the
we
fuck
have
up.
no clue what happened.
I do.
And it's not your fault.
It's all your fault. Oh my god, your tuberculosis is getting worse. Pendejo. Pendejo.
Don't worry, Mushroom.
I won't give you AIDS.
I'm okay. Good
Aww.
puppy.
I just want
She
Mushroom
must
to
be
be okay,
hungry.
bro.
What about you?
I'm always hungry.
And let's grub out.
I'm always horny.
I'll make you dinner.
Yeah. Before she eats us.
This might look kind of good for 150 macro. Sorry everyone, I got AIDS. This actually looks pretty heat for a continuation. We're building LRL. It's going to be 1 o'clock soon. I actually might slap the shit out of this. Hold on, I need to lock in chat. Okay, we're back. We're back, and we are fucking better than fucking ever. You understand me? Okay, so we are waiting for this 15 minutes to get hit. I have an alert. And if it wants to get hit, I could look for a continuation lower. If we get it. And yeah, because I think we might take this internal liquidity. But I still think we're still kind of bullish on the day. But like, this looks kind of ass. But like, did hit OTE. Fuck it. I might have to shit my pants soon.
Mushroom clung to Daniel on the first nights. But now she loves her bed by the fire.
Mushroom is the cutest fucking dog ever.
High school feels so far away now.
Dude, fuck your stupid...
Thank God kids used to spend vacations here. Daniel would have been mad without these. So glad we traded my stupid blanket for this.
Oh, no, that is.
Ready for today's training, puppy? Sit. Shroom, sit. Seriously, girl. Sit.
Mushroom, sit, girl.
Aw,
Are you kidding me?
what the
You
cute
just
little
don't know how to
doggy.
talk to her.
I'll remember this. Traitor.
Wait, is that fucking duck game? Is that the same makers? Where you gotta like be the duck and you walk around and shit like that? I think that's like that game because it looks like the exact same art style. Mug.
I hate it when I hear Daniel crying at night.
Tell him to shut the fuck up.
I can't do shit. Kind of weird to use stranger stuff every day, but not like we
Tell him to
have
shut
a
the fuck
choice.
up. Aw.
Hey, Shroom. You thirsty?
Aw, the little puppy. The little
girl.
puppy. I gotta see if my doggies are good downstairs.
Daniel must have been pissed that day. Don't blame him.
Dad and Maggie and John. Are they dead?
Poor guy. I guess kids have to grow up anyway, right? I wish I helped Dad more with the house chores back then.
Fuck you.
Wish I had more than tobacco, to be honest.
Wish I had more than tobacco.
There was a little bit left.
Hello,
too.
one viewer. What's going
Pretty
on?
disgusting, but
What's up, bro?
helps staying warm.
What? Where you from? Are you from Bangladesh? Are you from Singapore?
Can't believe how much Daniel's powers have improved over the last... Feels almost good to be cut off from everything.
Are you from Beijing? Are you from China? By the fire in the wood stove. I'm gonna search everything actually.
Time to get warm.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah. Daniel doesn't need to see this.
What? Patrick? His name is like Eugene. Who the fuck's Patrick? Who the fuck?
No excuse not to binge read. Of course. He's the town fucking hero now. How can I feel bad for him?
It was only for 6 months. Yeah, he fucking shot us because he was racist. That's okay. That happens.
Wonder where Brody is now.
I'm not reading that all.
Oh yeah.
God, that's
No
insane.
internet. Thanks, Hank.
Yeah.
Dickhead.
No, you like that little room. So we're just squatting in here.
I wonder how far it can go. This room is fucking cold, so
Fuck
we
you.
put everything we didn't need in it and keep it closed.
Medicine?
No way I can give any of these to Daniel.
Why not?
Too risky.
Just fucking take it.
Hello, motel room soap.
We're gonna hit the 15-minute.
Once you get used to squatting, it's not so bad.
Oh, they got a shit in the bucket?
This is rank. Sharing with Daniel was no more peeing at night for Daniel. He got so scared. We're lucky he didn't blow up the house.
What the fuck does that mean?
feels weird to loot other people's clothes, but
We're gonna
need
hit
warmth.
this 15-minute
Hey,
in a
I put some
fucking
clean water
second.
in the bathroom so you can wash a little.
Okay.
I don't know. That's gonna cause life-changing decisions.
We never found the key to this door.
We'll
I
fucking
guess
find
using
it.
the sliding door is cool.
Fucking find it then. Mind break. Are you ready? Mind
He's
break.
definitely a fast learner. Maybe too fast.
Put some magazines in the fire.
The guy who came here sure had time to kill.
Mind break. Are you ready? Mind break. Who remembers Chris Brown? Say I. Chris Brown? Chris Angel. Who remembers Chris Brown? Who remembers Chris Brown?
Here we go.
Hold on, Mushroom. We're gonna build a fire. Dang, I am starving.
Guess it's time to start cooking. Yum.
Too bad I can't make a pizza fly to us. I could start Daniel's delivery service.
Or you could shut the fuck up.
This hot dog man issue is kinda weird.
So what am I doing now? Find a clean saucepan.
He looks so serious on this picture.
I still can't believe he's gone.
Well, you fucking
I
better.
miss him so much it hurts.
Because he's not
I know,
coming
Daniel.
back.
It's okay to think about him. Tough choice. I do it too.
Bro, they're talking two different things at once. Yo, there's a second
Talk to
viewer.
Daniel after dinner.
What's up, bro? You're definitely not the second viewer. You're definitely the 2000th
I'm
viewer.
sorry.
Because I'm basically
Here's your
buying
menu
sauce and I
choices.
have so many viewers on
Ravioli
here.
or
It's
ravioli?
impossible for me to talk to
Okay.
any of them. How was your day, second random ass viewer? Are you from
Daniel
are
needs to
you
eat
from
something after all that
Nantucket?
psychic crap.
Oh, we're gonna hit the 15.
Published before
We're gonna hit the 15.
Sean.
Okay, we're gonna hit the 15 chat in a second, so and recording. Jesus Christ. That's my alert sound, so I can hear it. There's this on the 3. Let's check 5, nothing. 4, nothing. 3, nothing. 2, nothing. This isn't looking that good. 1, this. Come on, let's get a little fucking soup action going. That's just kind of, it's very discount on the leg. Do something like just 30 second. Fuck no. Besides this, but like that is a lot of LRL, bro. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna pause this for now. Okay, I walked away for like an hour and a half. So we're back.
We really lucked out stumbling into this house.
We did. Get dinner ready. Okay. No shitting. Nope. Prepare me out. Hey, mister, why don't you show me a fucking... Aw, the doggy. My little doggy's so cute. It's so cute. I love him and I want him to be happy forever. Aw. Disgust.
Dude, you'll be moving cars around in no time if you keep improving
Does
like
fucking...
You really think so?
that. Well,
What's this dickhead's
that'd
name
be a
again?
bad idea, but
Sean.
You sure are getting good at this.
I wonder if there's anyone else like me.
Probably.
We're so lucky this thing is still working. Wouldn't have lasted long without heat. I think we'd know it. There was a little bit left when we came. Pretty disgusting, but helps staying warm.
Oh my god, again, he's saying,
I think we'd know it by now.
Fucking ready?
Nah, it's not ready yet.
Oh my god.
I'm a ravioli expert now.
Go outside to draw. Aw, I love the doggy. Look at the puppy.
I should take a good look at the subject before drawing.
Oh my god, this fucking shit again.
Cool. I think I'm ready to draw this.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, okay. Let's
Time to take the pen, dude.
take the fucking pen, dude. Take the fucking pen.
Pretty good. But I can add more details if I want. Okay, got it. I've looked enough. Time to draw now.
Beautiful. Lovely. Let's throw it out. Throw that shit out.
Come on, girl. Let's get back in.
Hey, mister, won't you show me your fucking ID? I'm gonna slap your ass and call you a honky-tonky. Is dinner fucking ready yet?
Okay, dinner's ready.
Getting sick of ravioli.
Too bad. Spaghetti and truffles.
That was spaghetti alla Diaz. Didn't you taste the famous truffle sauce?
Yep. Plus, I love the garlic bread.
I love garlic bread too.
And
It's that
ice cream.
fucking goose game, bro.
Yum. Ooh, you want some too, huh, Mushroom?
Dude, he's gonna get fucking freaked out. Bon appetit, mushroom.
Bon appetit, mushroom.
Man, she loves this stuff.
And Daniel is going to fucking die.
Sorry, I'm cool.
Hold on. I need to show you something.
It is my battle.
Okay.
Gotta show him the map.
What
I think I left it with my books.
What fucking map?
Nothing here. Daniel, what did you do with the map?
What do you mean?
You know what I
Where
mean.
the fuck did you put it?
Where's the map that was with my stuff?
Oh, this map. It's in my tent. Sorry,
You-
Sean.
Dipshit. Little dipshit. Daniel's lair, and I'm gonna set the whole tent on fire. Hi, doggy.
Shroom, I can't get mad at you. Stop being so damn cute.
You got to move, little shoo shoo.
Okay, come on, doggy. Let's go, girl.
Oh, that's Daniel.
Hey, man. Can you call your dog? I don't exist.
Mushroom, come here, girl.
Uh,
What a great team.
pick that shit
Time
up.
to play dad dog. Man, I miss listening to music so fucking much. Daniel loves his brand new tablet. No way I'm touching that. I could do a super cool.
No, you can't. Yo, dipshit.
Sean, there's someone at the door.
What the? When did he show up?
I don't know.
Ew.
I just saw him now.
Mother. Daniel?
Got you.
That sucked. Good job. That was a good one.
Yeah. Okay. Good job.
Here, take your fucking map. I'm gonna send you off a cliff. Daniel. Damn. Daniel.
Okay. I think it's time for us to hit the road. You're not getting better. We're almost out of supplies.
No, I'm okay.
No, you're dying of AIDS,
Just a cough.
syphilis,
Yeah, a bad cough that won't go away.
and tuberculosis.
Trust me, Daniel. You need some medicine.
You need some help.
Look. Here.
Beaver Creek?
Beaver.
What's that?
Down goes
That's
the
where
lever
Karen's
when
parents.
I see the beaver.
Our grandparents live.
Okay. So what?
So we can go there and they'll probably help us.
Why do you always force us to run, Sean? What if they don't like me?
They're family, right? Plus they owe us for what Karen... for what Mom did.
You sure? It would be cool to spend Christmas with our grandparents.
We're not getting there before Christmas.
They're gonna love you. Grandpa's super cool and I'm sure you guys will be best buds.
Well,
The fuck? He's got like spit on his cheek.
but Mushroom has to agree too. She's part of the team. What do you say, girl?
Mushroom doesn't know what the fuck's going on.
Okay, when?
Tomorrow. The sooner the better. We have a long road ahead.
We should do something fun for our last night here. How about a game of dice? If I win, I get to draw on your backpack.
You know I'm gonna win and draw a dick on your back, right?
I don't think so, pussy.
Yo, what the fuck?
Party time. Okay, ready to lose, Captain?
Oh gosh, that's...
Watch your butt.
Is it actually gonna make me play it? It's gonna make me play it, isn't it? That weird thing where it's like fucking 6, 4, 5. Yep. Okay, throw it.
Here we go. Just need a 6, a 5, and a 4. Oh!
Okay.
This ship is mine. Captain's ready to rule. More pirates. Hi.
Did I win already?
Here you go, cargo. All right.
So
Got a full
confused.
ship. We need to score big now. Awesome.
You'll do better next time. Or not.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
High score. Better than nothing. Good luck beating that, matey.
Don't worry about that.
Your turn, lover.
What? Come on. 6, please.
Is this all randomized? Like, does everyone else get a different hand roll?
Yes. Ship, captain, and crew.
Shit, captain and crew.
I need the score now. Pretty please. Oh, is that it?
Okay, who
Not
won?
bad.
Please tell me it's over.
Come on,
Oh
my
my
turn.
god, fuck, I don't care. I don't care, I don't care. It's such a cool...
Complete ship. What the hell?
We'll see.
You fucking cheated. The fuck? Just cheated.
You kidding me? I can see the dice rolling, dude.
What did I do? You're just finding excuses.
Stop cheating, man. You gotta be better than this. Especially now.
Whatever.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of you if you do that again.
Cool. Give me the same. Oh. Okay.
Fill the
Ready to
goddamn boat.
set sail. Ah, empty hold.
I wonder what we would have done if we didn't find these dice.
I don't know. Probably read all these books.
Boring. You remember that time I beat Dad at chess?
He
You
probably
mean
let you.
We beat Dad.
Yeah, you did help me distract them. I bet he would have liked this game.
Definitely. He was a great pirate. Ch-
And
What the fuck?
I win. Do you know what it means?
What we do, I don't
yeah,
care.
okay. You want it.
You draw a butthole.
Here's my bag.
Draw a butthole on me for all I care.
Let's see. Here, what do you think?
Is that mushroom?
Yes.
The fuck is like
I know I'm not as good as you.
under the
but
sticker?
Nah, it's really cool, dude.
Really cool, dude.
Thanks.
Run,
So,
run, nigga,
let's do another
run.
one?
It's getting late.
It's bedtime. Gotta get up early.
I'm gonna finish my comic book. She has to pee.
Okay, okay. I'll take her out for a walk.
You're going to smoke. Smells like ass.
You're right. Don't smoke. But
I'm stressed right now.
it's our last night, so we can do anything. Alright, alright.
I
I
heard
heard you the
you.
first time, dude.
Oh, I gotta be careful of the doggy. Something's gonna happen to her. Now he's a smoker all the time. I smoked that one cigarette. Oh, the doggy. because you're smoking. Powers don't work if you smoke. And there's the intro. Oh, the puppy. No, what's wrong with the puppy?
Hey, Daniel. How are you doing?
It sucks.
I'm coming.
Where's the puppy? Okay, go pee pee. How beautiful.
This room is fucking cold, so we put everything we didn't need in it. So, what's going on?
It doesn't fit in. There's too much stuff. It's fucking bullshit.
How much swearing?
Okay, no more swearing.
Sure. Like you're always polite.
Come on, chill out.
No more swearing, Daniel.
What did you pack in?
Be a good boy.
What the Dude, you can't fit the whole room in. Don't worry.
Take out
Your
everything except the
Super
essentials.
strong big brother can help.
Awesome. Thanks, Sean.
Well, looks like we're almost set.
Where's Mushroom?
Still peeing, I guess?
I'm gonna check what she's up to.
And
Okay,
she's eaten by a
I'll
bear.
fill up our bottles and I'll catch up with you guys.
And she's about to be eaten by a bear. Daniel.
Okay.
I'm not talking
All
about
done.
this playthrough. I've been fucking streaming all day. I had
Where
like
the
4
hell
people.
is he?
they're in trouble.
Daniel! Daniel! Hey, you out here?
I wonder if that was a choice to not let the dog out.
Daniel!
The fuck? Jesus, eyes.
Where is he?
Let's see. The fuck? Fuck Daniel, I need a dog.
We have a 2-day walk ahead of us. Better get going.
Where'd you go, Bandejo?
Daniel? Where are you?
The fuck? All these trails are fucked.
No. I have to find Daniel and Mushroom.
Okay, so I guess they're over here. Where are you, dickhead?
Dude, what are you doing?
Don't tell me they fell in the water. But where the fuck?
What are they doing? We have to leave.
I don't see them for shit. I don't see them. Where the fuck are they? They're fucking gone. Well, R.I.P. Daniel, I guess.
It's so quiet. Daniel!
Oh my god. I fucked everywhere, bro. I'm fucking up all these footprints. Oh my god. Blood?
What the fuck happened here?
Oh no, don't tell me the doggy. No. Oh, I remember this fucking goddamn thing here.
That's not good.
No, 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 no. Oh no, the doggy. No. Oh, what happened?
Daniel?
Oh no.
Oh shit.
Oh, I
Daniel.
didn't know that was gonna happen.
Move.
It killed her! She was my
Fucking
friend!
Calm down.
kill it, bro.
okay?
Kill the fucking cougar.
Listen.
Leave me alone!
Oh my god. Oh my god. No, the doggy. The fucking mountain lion killed it. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. I feel like if I don't intervene, he's gonna crash out. And like, I feel like I have to step forward because I feel like if I don't intervene, he's gonna crash out in the future, and because like he couldn't control himself, he's gonna fuck us. I think it's bait. Mr. Ford. I think it's bait. James is gonna fucking let it fucking kill it.
Go away. No.
No! No!
Aww.
Mushroom! Why?
Fuck.
Aww.
Daniel. I'm so sorry. It just wouldn't have changed anything to kill it.
Oh no.
I'm right here.
He's gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up.
It's alright.
I'm gonna come. Damn. On that bombshell. I'll end it here. Oh, fucking stupid thing. Fucking mouse never. Oh my god. Okay, good. I'll end it here, and I'll make another recording.